Ang pandemic ang nagdala sang pagbago sa pamaagi sang edukasyon. Ang tanan nag-adapt sa pagbago. Ang University of St. LaSalle Bacolod ang pinakaunang nga private school sa Bacolod City nga gintugtan sang Department of Education nga makapatigayon sang limited face-to-face classes. Halin sa online classes, sining school year, mangin blended na ang learning.
Founder St. John Baptist de La Salle was an innovative educator, a radical at that for some. He has always been sensitive of the signs of the times. And this is us being sensitive of the signs of the times. We have prepared and innovated from being fully online in the past 2 years because of the pandemic to us now becoming blended in terms of learning. Because through blended learning, we will be able to recover the learning that is due to our students and those entrusted to our care.
Sa sulod sang duha ka tuig, napreparahan na sa USLS ang ilang mga equipment, pati ang mga teachers wala man untat sa pag-training para maging kalidad sa gihapon ng edukasyon nga ilang ginatanyag sa mga estudyante.
We had been preparing our teachers for the use of the facilities, technology, so that we may be able to cope up with the demands with regards to the offering of online classes and this coming school year, since we are hoping to have the blended learning approach. So we upgraded our technologies also.
We have regular training. It's been going for the past 2 years, and we are still having these trainings for our teachers in terms of pedagogy, in terms of the learning applications that they're using inside the classroom.
Para ma-experience mismo sa parents pati na sa mga estudyante kung ano ang matabo sa pagbukas ng klase, mayara sila sang ipatigayon nga Virgin 2022 sa Sabado. Pwede mag-register kag mag-take part sa klase nga patigayonon. Daw parehos lang ini sa isa ka virtual open house kung saan pwede matry kung paano patigayonon ang klase.
So there will be a teacher in a classroom, in a virtual classroom, where the prospective student, probably with the parents at the site or the home bodies at the side, would be able to witness how our esteemed LaSallian teachers would deliver online lessons using our learning applications, using our learning management system, where our students or prospective students will be engaged in interactive learning activities.
The virtual open house will also showcase how we translate the curriculum into reappropriated learning modalities, and we're talking about the online and the blended learning. So this is also to share to the community how we ensure that our learners are really learning.
Version means to flourish, to thrive. It's a bud, not yet a plant, but not anymore a seed. We hope that by participating in the open house, that bud, that shoot will flourish through the LaSallian way by us exposing, sharing our best practices to parents and prospective students.
Nga abala sa USLS gid dapat i-enroll ang imo nga anak.
We also train our students to become critical thinkers. That is why most of our students are very much open and very vocal in expressing themselves. We train them to become critical of what's going on around, so that in the long run, learning the 21st century skills, they will be able to survive and thrive the worst of times, so that they will be able to rise above all these situations.
St. John Baptist de La Salle, as patron of teachers, continue to share the LaSallian charism to the community, and that is to teach minds, touch hearts, and transform lives of the many. Pandemic will not stop us to continue to share that education, the Christian education, to the many, and that is to equip our students with the essential skills, including the 21st century skills, to become a lifelong learners.
Adapting not fast enough is the greatest risk. For one, that is a learning we have discovered because of the pandemic. This is us adapting fast enough through blended learning that the USLS Basic Education Unit will be offering to all.
Sa mga gusto mag-try ma-experience ang virtual open house, mag-register lang sa link sa ibabaw.